David McGrady, investor in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Your boot camp is a game changer. The biggest problem I had before Tom's boot camp was consistency. And since the boot camp and the education that I was able to learn during those 3 days put me on the path of being held responsible and accountable to consistently send out the mailers and be accurate in what I said I would do. What changed after the boot camp was just organization. Being able to use the forms that Tom had put together has drastically changed my view of scatter once a quarter mailing to every week. I am mailing out one of Tom's forms or postcards. My biggest wins are the knowledge gained through Tom's process. He has the formula for success. You just have to follow what he says and believe that you're going to see success. It's not going to happen for everyone on the first mailing or second mailing, but if you're consistent and you follow Tom's recipe and formulas for success, you will be successful. The deal we have now was an eviction deal. She had filed paperwork at the courthouse, and I pulled the eviction list, and I used Tom's eviction letters. It was on the second mailing that I got the call, and we put the deal together due to her pain and not wanting to deal with kicking the tenant out. Single biggest thing that changed with me is consistency. I was not consistent in my marketing, and without marketing, I was struggling to find deals, and I was struggling to get the telephone ringing. Ever since we've been consistent with marketing, the telephone rings and we have conversations and we make offers. If you follow Tom's 3 offers a week, you will be successful, period. This is by far the best education that I have taken, and it's going to keep you out of a lot of trouble, a ton of trouble. You practice what you preach, and you honestly do this every day. A lot of the educators don't do that. I've been through some expensive education, and they're at different stages. You practice what you preach, and you do this every day. And I just could tell your honesty and your integrity that you believed in your system, and I believed in it. And that's why the day of the boot camp, we got a deal, right? I mean, it happened because of your letters. It happened because of your 3 notebooks. It happened because I paid attention to the flash drive that you gave me, and I used your forms, period. I think you guys do an incredible job. I cannot believe how much time I wasted before this. So, but thank you so much. I really do mean it. Me and my family are much better off because of everything that you've put together and the time that you've taken with students like us.